Imagine holding a piece of Swiss history on your wrist, but with the heart of a supercomputer. You're not just looking at a screen, you're looking at decades of racing heritage, precision engineering, and a future that's already here. This is the TAG Heuer Connected Calibre E5. Most people see a smartwatch. But you see the ultimate statement of intent. Today, we aren't just unboxing a watch, we are dissecting a masterpiece. Stick with me, because by the end of this journey, you'll understand why this isn't just a gadget, it's an addiction. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The first thing that hits you when you pick up the Calibre E5 is the weight. It's not heavy, it's substantial. In a world of plastic disposables, TAG Heuer has doubled down on grade 2 titanium and high-grade stainless steel. Feel the edges. Look at the faceted lugs. This is the same craftsmanship that goes into a 5-figure Carrera. But then, you tap the sapphire crystal, and the magic happens. The screen doesn't just turn on, it breathes life. We live in an era where everyone has a rectangular screen on their wrist. It's functional, sure. But is it beautiful? The Calibre E5 challenges that status quo. The 45mm model we have here features a 1.39-inch AMOLED display that is so sharp, so vibrant, it makes reality look a bit dull. With a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, the digital dials don't just mimic mechanical ones, they trick the brain. The depth, the shadows under the digital hands, the way the light hits the virtual sunray dial, it's a visual symphony. And for those with slimmer wrists, the new 40mm size is a game changer. It's sleek, it's elegant, and it finally brings that glassbox aesthetic to the connected world. Now, let's talk about the soul of this machine. For the E5, TAG Heuer did something bold. They moved away from the standard Wear OS experience to create their own proprietary TAG Heuer OS. Why does this matter? Because luxury is about exclusivity. When you scroll through the menus using that rubber-coated crown, it feels fluid. It feels intentional. There's no lag, no techie stutter. It's powered by the Snapdragon 5100 Plus chipset, making it a beast in a tuxedo. But here is the real kicker for the USA audience. This is the first luxury smartwatch, outside of the Apple Watch, to be officially made for iPhone certified. If you're an iPhone user who felt trapped in the Apple ecosystem because you wanted seamless integration, your cage door has just been opened. The E5 pairs faster, stays connected better, and handles notifications with a grace that previous generations could only dream of. You get the best of both worlds, Swiss prestige and Silicon Valley brains. Let's dive into the lifestyle. A watch like this isn't meant for a drawer, it's meant for the golf course, the boardroom, and the gym. The E5 is packed with sensors. Heart rate, blood oxygen, an altimeter, and a compass. But it's the way it uses this data that sets it apart. The TAG Heuer Sports app is a work of art. If you're a golfer, the dedicated Golf Edition is basically a caddy on your wrist. It maps tens of thousands of courses worldwide, tracks your shots, and even suggests clubs. And for the runners, the partnership with New Balance brings professional training plans directly to your wrist. It doesn't just count your steps, it measures your progress toward greatness. Think about the battery life.